Let's take a look at this 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Sport Coupe. Artesian turquoise is the color you see it in. K paint code. Of course, 2.7 liter. 164 cubic inch engine in the rear. We'll take a look at that here at the end of the video. Start it up, let you hear it run. First, let's take a look at the chrome. Headlights surround. A little marker light up front. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Paint in the car, it does show blemishes here and there. It's one of those, get in and drive it, have some fun. But you got a few marks kind of throughout it. Fun one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Black vinyl interior, 713 trim code. So this car still looking very much as it would have when it rolled off the showroom floor at your local Chevrolet dealer. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear chrome. Right here, you're going to see a little emblem. 110, actually 110 horsepower in this vehicle. And again, if you want to see it from every angle, take a look at the interior, the engine bay. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a little closer look down the driver's side here. And again, a few spots maybe where it's been touched up by a previous owner. Speaking of previous owner, this car in the same family for the past 30 years. Door panels. Seat obviously shows some wear, has been repaired. Tape there. Rear one looks good, as well as the passenger. So guy wanted to do a little reupholstery, make it like new again, show it a little love. All right, let's go ahead, fire it up. Nice running vehicle. So easily it starts now. If you notice over here, gear selection as far as reverse, drive, neutral. So this is an automatic paired up with that 2.7 liter. Wipers do work. Tried those a bit ago. Radio I did not get to power up, FYI. Blower fan also works. Slip around to the back seat here and run. Door closes nicely. Alright, let's go ahead and open this. I think I can get it open one-handed here. Take a look at the power plant. Of course, they're a dual carb setup. Fan cool. Spare tire location in the correct spot. How cool is that? Don't see these every day anymore. 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Sport Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1965 Chevrolet Corvair. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota. However, the roads are dry today, so we're able to do driving videos. This car has a slider on the dash for a shifter. It's an automatic transmission.
Still lower than most
The
other.
radio does work. The blower motor works on this car. Our wipers work. We got both of the blinker indicators are functioning. It brakes well. It accelerates as expected. You might think a rear engine car would handle different, but it's easy to drive, comfortable.